If the only argument you're bringing to the negotiation table is the lowest price, you've already lost the game. It sounds harsh, but that's the reality we're facing today. Whether you're running a fit-out company, a branding agency, or a commercial interior business, you see it every day. Margins on standard services are shrinking fast. Competition is everywhere, and the costs of labor and materials, they're just going up and up. That's why today we're going to look at where the market is actually heading right now. We'll find ways to stop being just another finishing company and start being a partner who delivers something truly unique. We've put together a few solid ideas to help you escape this price trap. We'll talk about what's actually catching investors' eyes today and how to use these services to make your business more profitable. Let's start with what has become the industry standard. We all know things like wall slats, microcement, or decorative concrete. A few years ago, these solutions were a real wow factor. But let's be real, right now they are everywhere. A few years ago, a concrete wall made a real statement. Today, a client types decorative concrete into Google and finds 50 companies nearby. The same goes for custom wallpapers or vinyl stickers. These things have become mass market products. You see them in every new office building, every second Instagram post, and every single trade catalog. And here's the business problem. When everyone is offering the same decorative bricks, 3D panels, or standard wall coverings, you become just like everyone else in the eyes of the investor. When your offer looks exactly like the competition's, the only thing left to talk about is price. That is the exact moment your profits start to disappear. You end up fighting over every pound just to close the deal. A lot of companies stick to these safe options like decorative wooden panels or stone because that's what clients usually ask for. But today, that safety is actually the biggest obstacle to your company's growth. Investors, especially in big commercial projects, are looking for character. They want something that isn't just a simple template. To win, you need to offer something that goes beyond standard wall finishing. So if these popular methods aren't giving you an edge anymore, what actually works? We have been looking into a few trends that are appearing in the most prestigious projects lately. Let me show you what we found. First up is digital craft. It's a very interesting mix of high-tech and traditional work. Here, we're not talking about buying a ready-made element from a catalog. This service is about creating unique details. For example, using 3D printers to make decorative elements from stone dust or even volcanic lava. But the most important part is the second step. These pieces are then finished by hand by skilled artists. It gives the space an authentic, one-of-a-kind feel. It positions your company as someone who doesn't just install ready-made products, but actually creates unique architecture. Then there's Neurodesign. This is a broad approach where colors, shapes, and lighting are chosen specifically to help people relax and reduce stress. A huge part of this is light architecture. It's not just about hidden LED strips to make the room look nice, it's about designing the light to match our natural daily rhythm. We're talking about systems that change the color and intensity of light during the day. In the morning, they give a cooler light that helps people focus on work. In the afternoon, the light becomes warmer, helping the body to naturally calm down. In an office building, you aren't just selling lamps, you're selling better health and more productive employees. The third big thing is textures and grooves. Modern interiors aren't just meant to look good, they are meant to be felt. It's all about the sense of touch. The market is moving away from perfectly flat, boring walls. We're seeing a lot of deep, precise grooves in stone or on 3D panels. These repetitive lines give the wall depth and a very modern, sharp look. And finally, there's the trend of integrated greenery, putting living plants directly into the wall structure. We're not talking about simple pots on a shelf, but full vertical gardens built into the design. All these methods have one thing in common. They focus on our senses. They either use unique textures like the grain of wood or stone, or they use light and nature to make us feel better in a room. This is the direction that investors appreciate the most today. Now, all these methods look amazing, but from a business perspective, they have one main problem. They are very hard to scale. Naturally, you want to take on bigger contracts and grow your business, but with these complicated manual methods, you hit a ceiling very quickly. Most of these modern solutions depend on a very small group of specialists. To deliver proper neurodesign or high-end textures, you don't need a regular crew. You need experts who really understand the details. And here's the problem. There aren't many people like that on the market. Even if you find them, their work is expensive. And most importantly, you can't clone them. If you have 5 big projects starting at once, your best team can't be in 5 places at the same time. For a business-minded person, this is a trap. You want to grow, but every new team means huge fixed costs, more risk of mistakes, and you have to constantly watch them to keep the quality high. The key is finding a way to deliver that wow effect without tying your entire margin to the manual labor of a few experts. Fortunately, today, hiring more and more specialized workers isn't the only way to grow. Technology is finally catching up. In the world of wall decoration, that technology is wall printing. A wall printer puts graphics directly onto the wall or other surfaces like concrete, stone, or wood, and it's cured instantly with UV light. People often think of wall printing as just printing pictures on walls, but in commercial projects, it's a powerful tool that makes everything easier. The biggest game changer? The machine doesn't need 20 years of experience. You just need one trained operator. That is the key to scaling. Instead of sending a 5-person crew to struggle with complicated vinyl wraps or wallpapers, you send one person with a machine that delivers the project perfectly, down to the millimeter. We actually made a separate video about the costs of wall printing versus hiring more staff. You can see the link in the corner right now. The UV print is dry and durable immediately, so you don't have the typical problems of wallpaper, like peeling corners or air bubbles. For a business client, this is premium quality that you just can't achieve by hand at that speed. But what's most interesting is that wall printing can work together with the trends I mentioned earlier. Grooves, slats, raw concrete, or wood. They all work perfectly with wall printing. Imagine this. You've made a textured wall or installed natural wood for a client. Instead of leaving it empty, you use the printer. You can print a company logo or an artistic pattern directly onto those materials. The result? The client gets something that looks like a part of the architecture, not just a sticker, because you can still see and feel the texture of the material under the print. That's the high-end, personalized look clients really want, and they are happy to pay a premium price for it. You're delivering something unique, while keeping your profit margins healthy without needing an army of people. There are no shortcuts here, the colors are vibrant, nothing peels off, and the quality speaks for itself. You stop being a company that just finishes interiors, and start being one that builds tech-driven, unique spaces. As you can see, there are many ways to stand out. You know your business best, and you know which of these directions fits your vision. But if you feel like wall printing is the solution you want to explore more, then just take the next step. Head over to our website by clicking the link in the description, fill out the short form, and find out how you can grow your company by adding this technology to your offer. See for yourself how a wall printer can work for your profits and make your daily projects much easier. Thanks for watching today, and good luck with your projects.